Did you know that futures trading can potentially earn you thousands of dollars in a single day? Or have you ever wondered what strategies top traders use to dominate the market? Trading futures on FTX offers a unique opportunity to earn significant profits. With the right approach, the potential to make a substantial income is within reach. Many traders, however, are held back by common obstacles that prevent them from achieving their goals. One of the biggest hurdles is volatility. Futures markets can be extremely unpredictable, and prices can fluctuate rapidly, catching traders off guard. Another major challenge is risk management. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of trading and forget to manage your risk exposure, leading to devastating losses. Another common obstacle is the sheer complexity of futures markets. There are so many different assets to trade, each with its own unique characteristics and trends. It can be overwhelming for new traders, and even experienced traders can struggle to keep up with the constantly changing landscape. And then, of course, there's the psychological aspect of trading. Fear, greed, and emotional decision-making can all hold you back from achieving your full potential as a trader. But don't worry, because there are effective strategies for dominating the futures markets. These include technical analysis, understanding market trends, and proper risk assessment. By mastering these techniques, you can turn the odds in your favor. Here's a key insight that can lead to substantial profits. Always have a well-defined trading plan and stick to it. This strategy is a game changer because it helps you stay disciplined and focused, even when the market gets chaotic. To summarize, the main strategies we've discussed are technical analysis, market trend understanding, and risk management. Remember, discipline and continuous education are crucial for success in futures trading. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to comment with your own trading experiences and join me in the next video where we'll dive into advanced trading strategies. Join me as I take on the challenge of earning $10,000 in just 1 month trading futures on FTX. Trading futures on FTX can be incredibly lucrative if you know what you're doing. The potential to earn significant profits is massive, and that's exactly what I'm aiming for in this challenge. With the right strategies and a solid understanding of the markets, the sky's the limit. Delve into effective strategies for dominating the futures markets, including technical analysis, market trends, and risk assessment. One strategy that's been particularly effective for me is identifying key areas of support and resistance. By analyzing charts and identifying these areas, you can make highly informed trading decisions that are based on solid data rather than emotions. Another strategy that's worked well for me is diversifying my trades. By spreading my risk across multiple assets, I'm able to minimize my exposure to any one particular market. Another key strategy is staying flexible and adaptable. Markets are constantly changing, and what worked yesterday may not work today. Being able to adjust your strategy on the fly is critical to success in the futures markets. And of course, discipline is essential. You need to be able to stick to your strategy even when things get tough. One key insight that's been a game changer for me is the importance of trading with the trend. So many traders try to fight the trend thinking they can buck the market and come out on top. But the truth is, the trend is your friend. By identifying the direction of the market and trading with it, you can maximize your profits and minimize your losses. This strategy has been incredibly effective for me, and I'm confident it can be for you too. The key is to stay disciplined, stay adaptable, and stay focused on your goals. With the right mindset and the right strategies, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we've covered some of the most effective strategies for dominating the futures markets. Remember, discipline and education are key. Never stop learning, and always stick to your strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite strategy for trading futures? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more advanced trading strategies in my next video.